Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can fix this earning at risk. You need to fix some Ads.txt file issues to avoid severe impacts to your revenue. So there are two ways you can fix this issue. The first way is you go to your WordPress dashboard. That is the dashboard of your website. So you navigate to where you will have plugins. You click on Add New. Then you're going to search here TXT. Let's wait a while. So we have Ads.txt manager. So you are going to hit on install now. You activate the plugin. Now you have to look for where the plugin is. This is a plugin. Alright, so you come down to settings. You will find Ads.txt. You click on Ads.txt. Alright, so it opens us to this page. So what we are going to do now is you have to go back to your Google AdSense dashboard. Here is it. So you click on Fix Now. Now this is where it will take you to. So you come over here, you click on the URL of your site. You click on this. So this is a code here. So you copy the code. You copy this code, and then you come over to your WordPress dashboard, and then you paste the code here. Paste the code here. Then you have to save changes. Now the settings saved. So sometimes it takes like 1 to 2 to 3 days for it to be updated here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the second way you can fix this issue. So you go to your cPanel. You move to your cPanel. This is my cPanel, and then you navigate to where we have the file manager. So this is my file manager. So you're going to navigate to where you will find the URL of your website. Now for me, I'm going to navigate to public HTML. Now the reason is because in the process of buying the hosting I'm using now currently, I connected my website to it. So when you connect your website to a hosting, that is when you're about to buy a hosting, then you connect the URL of your site to that hosting. The directories of your website will be in the public HTML. So I'm going to come over here. So what you're going to do, you are going to create a file and call it Ads.txt. You create a new file. So this is the file here that we just created. So you're going to copy that code. You click on the file here. You're going to right click here. Then you navigate to where we have edit. Then you click on edit here. Then you paste the code here. Then you save changes. So once that is done, in few days time, you won't find that warning again. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and like my video.